Alright, hello. So we are doing the perform advanced searches using Boolean, PubMed, and advanced Google search commands. The first thing, Boolean, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but Boolean operators using and, or not in your search to do different things. For and, you can narrow your results. You want to include all the items. Or you want to broaden results, say that you want any of your search terms to be present in the resulting records. Doesn't necessarily need both of them. And not, you are excluding some terms from your search. So first of those, I'm going to use and. So the basic topic I'm looking up for all of these is going to be just strength training and cardiovascular endurance training. And how they relate to health, different ways to do them. So let's say current strength training and cardiovascular endurance training. There's the and. Scholarly articles, concurrent strength and endurance training versus strength training. Boom. Concurrent strength and you have a ton of articles that are here that have those terms in them. The next operator, or, and let's say I wanted to look at different fitness aspects pertaining to one or the other. Put the or right there. And let's say that I wanted to know about strength training and cardio endurance, but not powerlifting. So I want to exclude that group of people who do a specific type of strength training. And boom, there we go.